Again, be suspicious when someone pitches you something that's too good to be true and they go on about, oh, you don't pay any taxes. I believe it's near impossible not to pay taxes somewhere. So if somebody's pitching that at you, it's too good to be true, probably is. So you will have to pay tax at some point somewhere, but that tax burden can be minimized with proper planning and guidance.
Please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Our books and upcoming event are available at htj.tax. Email us at help@htj.tax to engage us, to advise on international tax or business matters.